My name is Esther Gicharu, and my brand is the Boldway collection, which is a fashion brand that deals with producing high quality bags here in Kenya. Yeah.
So, do you do it 100% in Kenya or do you outsource anything?
No, we do it 100% here in Kenya. So from getting the fabric here from local sellers to using our local artisans to produce the bags, yeah, everything is done here in Kenya. Yeah.
How do you make sure that your brand is bold and unique?
Oh, for one, I make sure I use very quality fabric in my products, and also ensure that everything is in high quality in terms of the stitches and everything. So with that, I make sure that the brand reputation is nice, and if the customer is happy, then the brand is growing. And also do a lot of marketing as well.
You have background in modeling. So, how did you transition from modeling into making your own fashion products?
Oh, all right, because modeling is still in the fashion industry. So now, since I already love fashion, I wanted to do something that is, in line with fashion, but something a little bit different. So that's how I decided to, get into bags. It's, express myself using the bags, yeah, in an African way, kind of vibe.
What is your opinion towards such events being organized in Kenya?
This is amazing, to be honest, because it just provides a platform for every person making their own products made in Kenya to, get a platform where people can see, interact with products. And it's amazing, really, because the awareness we've received from just being here and the publicity, it's good for business. So if one vendor or all the vendors get an impact from this, then it also impacts the country in general.
I can see you have different sizes of brand. Kindly take us through them.
All right, like what you have here is a backpack. Uh, oh, this one, there's the backpack here. Pretty nice, comfortable, strong handles, and upper kuna pockets. And there are also others inside and a laptop compartment.
And then there's this one.
Sorry. Uko sorted as well because we have the duffel bag, and inside there's also straps that you can adjust. And let me show you. Kuna hii, so I can just fix it here and carry it on the shoulder as well, yeah. And it's quite spacious enough to share between 1 week even. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much for speaking to us.
All right. I'm grateful as well. Have a nice one.